pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area. 72 at Garden City. 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal. 72 over by the good folks.
Hey guys, good morning. My name is Jess if you're new here. Today is Wednesday, January... Anyways, it is one of my last days of winter break at my college. We got like super late for winter break, I feel like, this year. I start class next Tuesday, which is less than a week away. But since it's one of my last days, my mom and I are about to drive up to San Marcos and go to the outlet mall and just get a couple things done today, maybe buy some things. I'm excited. This is the first time I've woken up before 10 a.m. in like at least a week, and I'm so tired. I'm so cold. I just feel like bundled up. But I am about to wash my face, put on some like really light makeup. I'm gonna throw on like some jeans and a t-shirt, like nothing major. I might wear a sweater because it's cold. That would make sense to wear, so I don't know when I'm gonna do that yet. But yeah, hey, if you're new here, also be sure to subscribe. I'm really excited to be like going back to school because that means a bunch of fun new videos. But yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, I just finished doing my makeup. I just sprayed on a little bit of my Mario Badescu. I've never used other than like the rose, what is it? The rose water one, the red one everyone gets. Okay, yeah. It is facial spray with herbs and rose water. This is really, really good. Everyone talks about this, but at Black Friday I got a set with the 3 different ones. The other one I think is chamomile. My favorite might actually be the cucumber and green tea. It's like I'm loyal to the rose water, but I'm like a fan of this one. But yeah, I'm gonna show you my outfit really quick. Okay, so I am wearing my Old Navy jeans. I have no idea where this sweater is from because it's from, like, it was my mom's and I stole it from her because it was a turtleneck. This jacket's actually from Ross and I felt like it was quite a cop. But I don't totally love the sweater with the jacket, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like cool enough today that as the day goes on, I'll just like take it off, leave it in the car, no biggie. My purse like over there on my bed, but oh, sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna pull out some like cute sunnies, and by cute sunnies, I mean I might wear my cloud goggles and I don't even feel bad about it. But I'm like almost ready to leave because we were trying to leave by 9 and I think it's like 8:55. Let's see what is. Ooh, 8:54. Let's go. Look at my girl. I love her so much. Roxy baby. She's just chilling. And then the worst breakfast in the world. So good. I'm just drinking a bunch of water. She's just staring. What you doing, Sadie? What you doing? Okay, I'm ready to leave. We're gonna run a couple errands first, but then we're gonna get on the road and we're gonna head to San Marcos. We're in the car, we're in traffic, but George Strait came on the radio and I got really happy because I love George Strait. Okay, so we are on the road. We are about 25-30 minutes out from San Marcos, which is nice. It's sprinkling a little bit, it's kind of weird. We're excited, we're gonna do some shopping. Woo! Yay. But first we're going to a Chili's because we love Chili's and we're gonna grab some lunch and I'm so ready. So we were trying to find a Chili's, but then we like passed it and we also realized like it's literally 12. We were like, it's noon, like it's gonna be crazy. So instead we're going to Taco Bell and we're gonna just eat some tacos real quick, which is cool because like, I don't know, I like it. And then we're gonna hit a couple stores. They changed it here. Oh, looks like they remodeled it too. There's like a porch. Yeah, interesting. Ah! You're so silly. We're in Kirkland's. We're looking for a mirror, but we're looking for like a small one, but not that small. I don't know. We've been wandering trying to find the right thing. I don't think we're finding it, but like I love Kirkland's and I love how it smells. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, well we're here now. Okay.
Build-A-Bear Workshop Outlet.
Oh, but you can't build it there, can you?
I don't know.
Okay, so we just went to H&M and Kirkland's. You saw that, but we went to H&M and my mom actually was the only one who got stuff. I didn't, but tell me what you got.
Oh, I got a blue plaid shirt to go with my black vest.
Yeah, she's got this whole outfit planned, which is gonna be really cute, and she's gonna wear it to church on Sunday. Come here. fun. But yeah, so we drove all the way down here and it's like really rainy and we don't really want to spend money. But we do. Okay, the one thing...
We do want to spend money always.
I don't. That's fair. We need to go do a return, and so that's part of why we drove all the way here, because we're going to a store that they only have here. And then also I really want to go to the North Face outlet, because the last time I went, I got a backpack, which I obviously don't need another one, but I got like a really cool pullover and it was like a good sale. So I'm kind of hoping to see maybe if they'll have another good sale. Eat. It's a little bit later now. We went to the VF. Mom got another shirt. I got this like weird like romper skirt thing. I don't know. It's like you're laughing at me. It's like if you took like a romper, like a short romper, but then in the back you had like a long skirt. But only, but it's weird, but it actually looks really cute and I really want to wear it.
It's kind of a high-low.
Yeah, a weird version. I want to wear my little cowgirl boots with it though, because I think that would be fun. I think it would be really fun to go dancing in, except I could not tell you when the next time I'm going to go dancing is. But
you trip and hurt yourself.
yeah, with the bag. Oh man. But so now, oh, and then we went to North Face and I found this like little jackety pullover thing that I really like, because I have bought so many of those and I love them, but I stopped myself because it's kind of a bad addiction. They have good sales there at the North Face outlets. Like, I really like it because I feel like you get a good deal. Oh, dang. Oh, you can still make it. So now we're gonna go hit a Ross and like we're hoping, there's Lowe's. We need to go to a Lowe's because I need some light stuff. We're at Ross. We think we found a winner. We think that this mirror might work for my bathroom, which would be fun. We're driving past downtown and it's so foggy, like you can't see the tops of one, like at least one of the buildings. You can't even tell, it doesn't look the same, but it's just crazy to see it like that. And then when we were going over the hill, I could see like the tower, the UT tower, and like the UT stadium, and you can't now because we're not high enough, but it's, I love it. I love Austin. Look at this Austin traffic. You can barely see it, but there's just like so many cars. I know, I can't get it high enough. It's just like,
to see the left side?
Yeah, it doesn't look, it's fine. Just like pretend you can tell because there's a lot, y'all. Okay, we finally got a Mopac. We're stopping by another Lowe's to see if they have what I'm looking for. But no, we were on that road forever. I talk so much. My poor mom is so tired of me. But overall, we've had a really fun day. We're getting kind of tired, but like I'm excited to get home. It's been productive. It's been fun. It's been good so far. I'm so tired. The traffic is so bad. At least we have Taylor Swift, I mean. Hey, so it is a couple hours later and we are home now. I went upstairs, I put on some comfy clothes, so I just got on like a Old Navy pullover. Here's my dog Sadie. She's just chilling on the top of the couch. But we're about to do dinner, so we are gonna like eat some leftovers. I really want to film a video tonight because I have been asking people questions about it on Instagram. So if you're not already, you should follow my Instagram, which is at allthatjessyt. But yeah, I do a bunch of like YouTube related content on there, if that makes sense. But yeah, we're about to do dinner and I'm so ready. So we just finished putting together our leftovers. So I made a little roast beef sandwich on a hoagie bun, and then I'm gonna drink some Topo Chico. Probably have some dessert in a minute, but yeah, that's dinner.
Well, fine. I will help you on one condition. We get everyone else out of the store first. And what you've told me remains a secret between the two of us.
Okay, so I just spent all this time getting ready, only to look like mediocre at best, but you know what? I mean, some things we win, some we lose. I am about to film a video, but I'm using this new camera lens I got. It's one of the really cool Sigma ones. This lighting is making me super washed out on this camera, but I guess I have the like a white balance on the stuff set on the other camera, so it does not look like this shot. I do not look like a ghost in it. Not as much. But Oh, it's like hard to get the manual focus right, and the problem is it's like you can't do autofocus, or you can hear it. Like, I don't know if you guys ever watch people who do YouTube videos and you can hear the lens like coming in and out of focus, and it just drives me absolutely insane. So it's like you have to focus it before you start, but then it's like if you move, it's out of focus. And that's, I think, part of why I think these YouTubers like stare at the viewfinder a lot. Or you're like me and sometimes you just accidentally stare at yourself because you're like, am I in the frame? What am I doing? Yeah. So I'm about to film reading y'all's assumptions about me, so I've only read like one of them, so hoping this goes well. I'll let you know after I read them and film this. This is my little setup. I actually have it on the ground today because I felt like sitting, so I have this here. I have a little pillow here, it's a lens cap, water, my phone, but yeah. Hey guys, I almost forgot to sign off the vlog. I can't remember when I last checked in, but I filmed my video and it actually went kind of well. It wasn't very spicy, but it was still pretty sweet and it was fun. I'm excited to post it. I started editing it and I'm like probably only like a fourth of the way done. Not awesome, but I mean, I feel like that gives me a really great reason to like wake up tomorrow morning and like get started on stuff. So I'm so excited. Like I love editing, so yeah. Anyways, now it's like after 12, and my will's kind of late, so I'm gonna like brush my teeth and go to bed. Thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe down below, leave a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!